What anaerobic respiration, you're generating ATP using other electron acceptors besides oxygen. So we're going to learn that electron acceptors, we learned before that after specifically the ETC, so an oxidative phosphorylation, after chemiosmosis, the electrons get picked up by oxygen and then hydrogen joins to form what? What is a byproduct of cellular respiration?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, but water, right? Water is one of them. So if I go back to here, oxygen itself, it's used up in the mitochondria. It picks up the electrons from the electron transport chain, and those two positive hydrogens that go through the ATP synthase are picked up. And what are two hydrogens and one oxygens together? Water, right? And that's why water is a byproduct of the cellular respiration. But the difference is, in anaerobic respiration, the problem is that, is there any oxygen present? No. So the final electron acceptors are sulfate. So it's a specific type of sulfur. So it's sulfur and then 4 oxygens together. It is not regular O2, nitrate, and then other sulfur because it'll pick up that positive hydrogen. So there are 2 different types of anaerobes that I want you to know about. There's obligate anaerobes, which can't survive in oxygen at all. So if you brought it to an environment where oxygen exists, it would not survive. And then facultative anaerobes, which make ATP by aerobic respiration with oxygen present, or switch to fermentation. So our human muscle cells, we can go from both aerobic respiration and fermentation. That's why when you're running a mile, if you cramp up, it's because you're not breathing properly. That's why, I don't know if you've ever lifted weights, that's why they say you have to breathe. Do not hold it in or you start cramping up, right? Our muscles will build up lactic acid, and that's why we will cramp up immediately after. Does that make sense?
Interesting. Not sarcasm, by the way.
Not sarcasm?
No. Because I was talking to my son in class, and then she was like, "Francis, I can never tell if you're being sarcastic or not." And I was like, "No, like I'm being genuine." So.
Oh.
Can you turn the lights off?
You actually want the lights off?
No. Yeah, my eyes.
No, because then you guys will go
Wait.
sleep
But I
time.
think
No.
Brian got 100 basically on like the rest of the test.
Oh, so you're saying let's just do what Brian does and have the lights off? And is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Oh.
I just don't like the lights.
Oh no, Brian's here
Me
today.
neither. I have a pretty bad astigmatism, so lights are sensitive, and I have light eyes too.
And the sun, they're allergic to the sun.
I'm also allergic to the sun. I burn instantly, and then I'm allergic to grass and water and